In the quiet moments of solitude, when we're left alone with our thoughts, we discover the voice of our deepest self calling out. It's not about escaping the chaos of the world. It's about plunging into the depths of our soul, where true transformation begins. In these moments alone, we embark on the most crucial journey of our lives, a journey inward. Here, away from the noise, we confront our deepest fears, our unfulfilled dreams, and the echoes of a life we're meant to live. Why do we sometimes choose the path of solitude? It's simple. This solitude is not a sign of withdrawal, but a bold step towards profound self-discovery. It is here, in the silence of being alone, that we truly meet ourselves. You're not missing out. You're diving deeper. Imagine solitude as a crucible for change. Each moment you spend alone is not just time passing. It's time spent sculpting your future self, the luminous being ready to illuminate the world. This transformation often comes from the toughest trials, when you're forced to find your own answers and heal from within. Think of it as preparing for a rebirth. A new life demands a fresh environment, new beliefs, and a perspective shift that aligns with the deepest desires of your heart. This journey through solitude is where you craft the vision of your life aligned with your true purpose. During this spiritual sojourn, your beliefs are your compass. Many of us carry beliefs imposed by others, family, society, peers. Solitude gives you the clarity to see these influences and the strength to choose your path, one that resonates with your authentic self. Alone, you realize you were never meant to blend in. You are born to lead, to inspire. Perhaps, growing up, you were taught to conform, to please others. Now, standing alone, you're free to shed these imposed roles and embrace who you truly are. In solitude, you also learn the essential art of self-love. Loving yourself is the first step in transforming every aspect of your life. As you nurture your soul, you fill your own cup, and soon you overflow, becoming a source of inspiration and love for others. Being alone teaches you to reclaim your energy from those who drain it. You learn to set boundaries and protect your spiritual space, especially from toxic relationships that may have once seemed integral to your life. For those who feel deeply, who empathize intensely, solitude helps you manage your energy. You learn that you can be powerful and impactful without losing yourself in the emotions and needs of others. In embracing solitude, you don't just find peace, you find liberation. Liberation from pain, from the need for external validation, and from the constraints that kept you from manifesting your dreams. As you stand alone, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You connect with the divine, with the universal love that surrounds us, reminding you that even in solitude, you're not truly alone. This spiritual journey is your path to discovering that everything you've ever needed resides within you. You become a master of your destiny, a creator of your reality. So if you're on this path, know that it's not just a journey of self-discovery, but a pilgrimage towards a life of fulfillment and profound connection. As we delve deeper into the embrace of solitude, we discover that it's not merely about being alone. It's about refining the connection with our innermost selves and the divine. It's a profound encounter that amplifies the whispers of our soul into clear, guiding voices. In solitude, there is a unique opportunity for healing. It provides the space to address wounds that might otherwise be ignored. This healing process can be challenging. It often requires us to face painful truths and past traumas. Yet it is through confronting these shadows that we foster profound healing and personal growth. Consider this. Every moment of solitude is a step toward purging the toxins of past hurts and misconceptions. It's about rewriting the narratives that we have carried with us, possibly from childhood, that no longer serve our highest good. In the silence of solitude, we are the authors of our new story, one where we are the heroes overcoming our struggles. Solitude is also a teacher of wisdom. Away from the cacophony of societal expectations and the influences of external voices, what could you learn about yourself? What truths could you uncover when not obscured by the day-to-day noise? This wisdom isn't just about self-knowledge. It's also about understanding the universe and our place within it. It's in these quiet moments that we can hear the subtle rhythms of nature, the universe, and our own spirits speaking to us. We learn to tune into the frequency of our destiny, understanding more clearly the path that we are meant to walk. Through solitude, you gain mastery over your inner world. When you spend time alone, you are compelled to manage your thoughts and emotions independently. This mastery is crucial because our inner world shapes our outer reality. The skills you develop in solitude, such as mindfulness, emotional regulation, and positive thinking, become tools that you carry into every interaction and challenge in life. Think of solitude as the training ground for your mind and spirit. Just as a musician must practice away from the audience to perform beautifully on stage, so must we cultivate our inner selves in solitude to live effectively and joyfully in the world. Solitude empowers manifestation. When alone, free from distractions and external influences, you can focus intensely on your desires and goals. Here, in the quiet, you can perform the mental and spiritual work necessary to manifest your dreams. Visualization, affirmations, and other manifestation techniques often require a deep, uninterrupted focus that is best achieved in solitude. Here, you can visualize your life as you wish it to be, affirm your capabilities, and align your energy with the outcomes you desire. This alignment is potent. It sets the stage for the universe to conspire in helping you achieve your dreams. Also, solitude teaches the art of self-compassion. It encourages a nurturing attitude towards oneself. In the hustle of everyday life, we often are our harshest critics. Solitude allows us to pause, reflect, and offer ourselves the kindness and grace we freely give to others. This self-compassion is transformative. It shifts how we view ourselves and our mistakes. Instead of criticism, we offer ourselves understanding. Instead of pushing relentlessly, we learn when to rest. This change fosters a healthier, more balanced approach to life. Let's further explore the profound impacts and benefits of embracing solitude in our spiritual and personal growth journey. Solitude liberates us from the confines of societal expectations and the relentless pace of modern life. It allows us to step back from the societal canvas to see where we truly fit into the bigger picture. In this space, you have the freedom to question everything without judgment and redefine your values and priorities according to what resonates deeply with your true self. In these moments alone, we experience liberation from the roles we play in our daily lives, be it as professionals, parents, partners, or friends. We get to shed these identities temporarily and explore who we are at our core, without labels or expectations. Solitude fosters introspection, a key element in personal development. It invites us to delve deeply into our psyche, exploring our thoughts, feelings, and motivations. This introspective practice is crucial for those who seek to understand themselves better and make intentional changes in their lives. Through introspection, we can identify patterns of behavior that may be holding us back, such as procrastination, negative thinking, or fear of failure. By acknowledging these patterns, we can begin to address them, setting the stage for genuine transformation and growth. Being alone with your thoughts also enhances creativity. Solitude provides the quiet necessary for the mind to wander freely, to explore ideas without interruption, and to connect disparate thoughts in innovative ways. Many artists, writers, and thinkers have attributed their most creative ideas to moments of solitude. Moreover, solitude enhances problem-solving skills. It allows for undistracted thinking, enabling you to tackle problems with a fresh perspective. Often, the solution to a complex problem comes when we step away from the noise and allow ourselves the space to think deeply. For those on a spiritual path, solitude can be a powerful ally in strengthening spiritual connections. It allows for uninterrupted communication with the divine, whatever that may represent to you. In the silence of solitude, many find it easier to meditate, pray, or engage in other spiritual practices that require peace and concentration. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. This deepened spiritual connection can bring about a profound sense of peace and understanding, providing a strong foundation for facing the challenges of everyday life. It can also lead to heightened intuition, making you more attuned to the subtle signs and guidance from the universe. Solitude builds resilience by forcing us to rely on our own resources for comfort and entertainment. In today's world, where constant connectivity is the norm, learning to be comfortable in one's own company is a significant achievement. This comfort with solitude can translate into greater emotional independence and resilience, traits that are invaluable in both personal and professional realms. When we spend time alone, we not only connect with ourselves but also enhance our capacity to reconnect with others more meaningfully. By understanding ourselves better, we can approach relationships with more empathy, clarity, and genuine interest. Solitude can, paradoxically, make us better friends, partners, and colleagues because it equips us with the inner peace and self-understanding necessary for healthy, fulfilling interactions. As we conclude this exploration into the sanctity of solitude, let's celebrate the courage it takes to embark on this path. Solitude is not merely a physical state, but a mental and spiritual practice that enriches our lives profoundly. If you've been inspired by the insights shared today, I encourage you to carve out moments of solitude in your daily routine. Whether it's a few minutes of silent meditation in the morning or a weekly solo walk in nature, these practices can help cultivate a deeper, more fulfilling relationship with yourself and, by extension, with the world around you. Thank you for sharing this journey with me today on ENLIGHTEN. Your presence and engagement mean the world to our community. Remember, if you found value in our discussion, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that guides, inspires, and transforms. Together, let's continue to explore the profound beauty of our inner worlds and the transformative power of solitude.